of justice are meant to burn brighter, but have dimmed due to delays. Good morning, I, Shabnis Faki, is privileged to address you today on a topic of profound importance, the newly enacted criminal and evidence laws and their potential to usher in an era of speedier adjudication. This topic lies at the heart of our judicial system, which serves as a cornerstone for a fair and equitable society. For too long, the wheels of justice have turned down slow, diminishing the public confidence and often denying justice to victims and accused alike. Delays in adjudication of criminal cases is caused due to overburdened courts, procedural inefficiencies, poor infrastructure, and lack of modern tools. The new reforms like Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam aims to address the systemic bottlenecks. These reforms are mainly focused on procedural efficiency and evidence handling. These reforms have stricter timelines for case filings, investigation, and pre-trial processes. Case management system help courts prioritize cases on basis of their urgency. For instance, period of investigation has now been restricted to 6 months with consequences for non-compliance. Also, adjournments, once granted easily under Section 309 of CRPC, are now restricted and should meet special conditions. In terms of evidence handling, the technology is revolutionizing the collection, preservation, and presentation of evidences. The Digital Evidence Portal and Amendments in Evidence Act provides electronic and online submission of evidence, which reduces the risk of tampering, and provides online submission of evidences, which reduces the challenges faced for physical proof. Also, remote witness testimonies via video conferencing further helps in reducing the delays caused due to geographical constraints. Technology is central to this transformation. Virtual courtrooms provide uninterrupted case hearings, and case management system help enforce a deadline. Digitalization of FIRs along with stricter penalties for non-compliance further helps in strengthening the system. But implementation is critical. Law enforcement, legal practitioner, and judiciary should be trained as how to adopt a new technology. Courts need subsequent investment for development of better infrastructure. Although these expedite process should not hinder the quality of justice. Now finally the question arises, are we ready for it? Justice was to be timely and efficiently delivered in cases like Nirbhaya, in which it was delivered after 7 years in fact of heinous nature of crime. Also in cases like Lakhimpur Kheri, where due to mere procedural delays and reliance on old evidence act lead to hindrance of justice. I would like to say that these people didn't deserve what they got. I would like to say that readiness on these laws and reforms comes with continuous monitoring, resource allocation, and commitment. Initiatives should be to fill judicial vacancies, to give robust training to judges, and also to remove other hindrances like digital divide in rural areas. Public awareness programs should be created for citizens to understand and support these changes. I would like to conclude by saying that these reforms are a bold step towards modernizing the Indian judicial system. These reforms have the power to transform mere legislative processes into tangible outcomes. As wisely said by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, that justice is an ideal which can only be achieved when it's timely and accessible. Let us all work hard to fulfill his vision and to create a more faster, fairer, and reliable judicial system by transitioning into new Indian legal era in which criminals would feel afraid to commit a crime on the first place due to swiftness of justice delivery, and the faith of citizens in judicial system would be restored. I would like to convey it in the end that if we accept a justice system which takes decades for justice delivery, we are wrong. If we accept a justice system which takes decades for justice delivery, we are wrong. But if we do nothing to change it, we are worst. Believe me when I say, then we are worst. I would like to take your leave here. Thank you. Satyameva Jayate. Jai Hind.